Welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica. You know, it's yours truly, 876 by birth, and you know you can follow me on all the socials, right? Guys, you can even follow this channel on Instagram at 876.by.birth. All right, guys, we also have a chat group over on Telegram. Guys, the chat group is not doing good. We need to get the chat up and running, guys. It's a place where you can come and chit chat for a minute. You know what I mean? Like, you know, I know you guys have your families and everything, but I'm lonely over there, guys. I'm the only subscriber in the chat group. I'm lonely over there. So if you have like a minute of your day you want to spend and just chit chat about anything, you can come over on the chat group on Telegram. Link is in the description, okay? Thank you. Now, guys, if you watch my videos regularly and you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It takes just a minute. It takes just a second to subscribe. All right, so go ahead and just click that subscribe button, okay? And for the persons who continuously like my videos before they have gone ahead and even watched the video, I really appreciate you. I thank you so much for your support. All right, and guys, I'm not just saying this, all right? I really do appreciate you. Whenever I'm gonna make a video or anything, you're the persons in my mind, my return viewers, okay? Persons who gave me a little critique, or you know, as they would call it, constructive criticism. Yeah, whenever I'm doing another video, I try to make sure that I fix whatever the person pointed out. So I really do appreciate you, and I thank you so much for your support. All right, I have a tendency of talking way too much, so I think I'm gonna stop right now and we're gonna go to the video. So it's Waltham Park Road, and I hope you enjoy. sure to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it, alright? And until our next journey through Jamaica, be safe.